Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how I can fix SteelSeries headset not working. So it is pretty simple. The first step would be go to the sounds, so right click it, go to the sounds, here go to the playback and select your headset. So my headset is RTX Nova 3, right click it, click on properties and here go to the levels. Make sure to set 100% and here it says advanced, make sure it is on studio quality. Click apply and OK. The second step would be go to the search, type device manager, open device manager, and here select audio inputs and outputs, select your headphones, right click it, click properties, driver, and update the driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. The first step would be open your SteelSeries sonar if it's installed. Here select on the sonar tab and make sure on the game and media your headphones is picked right. So headphones RTX Nova 3 and headphones RTX Nova 3. And here in the chat too, headphones RTX Nova 3. So that's pretty much it. That's how you fix your SteelSeries headset not working. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.